Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen broth at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need kombu, dried shiitake mushrooms, and about 6 cups of filtered water. Make sure you have a large pot, at least 4 quarts, ready for simmering. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious and easy homemade ramen broth. Let's get started. Next, we'll create the dashi, the heart of your ramen broth. Place the kombu in your 6 cups of water and gently simmer for 10 minutes, then carefully remove it. Now, add the dried shiitake mushrooms and continue to simmer for about 20 minutes. Remember, keep the heat low. Avoiding a rolling boil is key to preventing any bitterness in your dashi. This gentle process extracts maximum flavor. Now, let's build on that foundation by adding more layers of flavor. Stir in about 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sake. For an extra kick, you can also add a small amount of grated fresh ginger and minced garlic. Taste the broth and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect balance. This step truly personalizes your ramen experience. Almost there, once your broth has simmered and developed its rich flavors, it's time to finish up. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a clear and smooth consistency. Your delicious homemade ramen broth is now ready to be enjoyed with your favorite noodles and toppings. Any leftover broth can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for another meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.